नमस्कार साथियों। आई थिंक यस्टरडेज एक वीडियो जो मैं लगभग यहाँ से किया था, शायद क्या यहाँ से किया था पता नहीं, यहाँ से किया था। मैंने रिप्ले किया था और मैंने रिप्ले में ये बताया था कि हाउ द ट्रेडिंग इज़ इजी एंड ट्रेडिंग वन लॉट, एक एक लॉट को भी ट्रेड करना कितना आसान है, और फ्यूचर्स में, और ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट और कंसोलिडेशन मार्केट, ये दो फेज होते हैं। इन दोनों फेज़ों में आपको समझना ये कि है कि उन दो फेज में एक ही चीज़ आपको समझ में आएगी। एक है कि आप कहाँ पे कौन से फेज में हो। पहली बात है कि वेदर यू आर इन अ ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट, ठीक है, और वेदर यू आर इन अ नॉन ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट। जब आप ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में हो तो आपको ऐसे सीरीज ऑफ हायर हाई, हायर लो, हायर हाई, हायर लो, हायर हाई मिलेगा। जब आप उसके ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 3 push you will see a consolidation phase. Then you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then you will see a consolidation phase. Then you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then you will see a B and C consolidation phase. ठीक है, but here the deception was beyond acceptable. That means ये जो एरिया था, it was completely what we call it as a very narrow range here. Then once the market is picked up, it started moving again. ठीक है, this was one idea. And मैंने I gave, somebody asked me what is fractal. I'll tell you. There is a 5 uh, magic bullets. The one is आप 5 मैजिक बुलेट में हम लोग एक चीज़ को बोलते हैं कि व्हाट द प्राइस इज डूइंग। ठीक है, प्राइस, देन फ्रैक्टल, देन divergence between price and oscillator एंड फोर्थ आता है प्राइस इन टारगेट जोन, एंड फिफ्थ आता है स्क्वाट बार। दिस आर द 5 मैजिक बुलेट। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने जो बताया ये 5 मैजिक बुलेट है। 5 मैजिक बुलेट का मतलब है कि प्राइस अभी क्या कर रहा है। इस प्राइस इज ट्रेंडिंग और इट इज इन ए कंसोलिडेशन फेज ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन। ठीक है, फ्रैक्टल, whether you have fractal outside the alligator mouth and alligator is sleeping, डाइवर्जेंस बिटवीन प्राइस एंड ऑसिलेटर। जब आप यहां से देखोगे, यहाँ पे सीधा एक्सेस दिखा रहा है। यहाँ पे एक मिनट, आई विल शो यू हियर। यहाँ पे मैं डाल के दिखा देता हूँ। So this is a very peak of the divergence. From here, a peak, the market went sideways, the divergence कुछ भी आया ही नहीं, and this is called saddle point. This is named as a saddle point. This is named as a saddle point. Saddle point in the sense, this area of no volatility is ideally known as saddle point. ठीक है, and basically this is the area which is no saddle point, and I will copy this clone this, and okay, uh, I'll copy this and paste here. Okay, now I will take this up, and here this is in a saddle point. Okay, तो आप समझ गए सैडल पॉइंट का मतलब है देयर इज अ कंसोलिडेशन फेज, एंड आई विल मार्क दिस हियर. दिस इज अ सैडल पॉइंट and this is a saddle point, and this is a saddle point, and this is almost a correction. All it shows as a saddle point here, but it is a correction because the momentum bars went down. So what I am trying to explain is that I will explain more. We have a method which is a mechanical system. You keep making money, you don't see whether the market goes up or market goes down. No, you don't see that. All you have to do is follow the rules and make the money. Okay, in order to do that, I am going to go for the replay, and in replay, from here I was showing actually, from here I was showing, so I will go for the replay and I will show you. One second. Okay. Yeah, thank you for waiting for me. Now, here I will wait a second. I will change it. I have come back to normal course. I will remove this all indicators, and I will go. First I will add awesome oscillator. Okay. Then I will add Williams alligator, Williams fractal, and I will add moving average. Now one moving average only I will use it, because I don't want you to get confused. So I will use only one moving average, 200. Okay. 200 will have a red color in it, and it will have a circles in it. Done. Now what I will do is I will save this. Okay. And I will go for the replay. So here it is, replay. So from this I was trying to make the things, and there is a 200 is not visible here. Right now 200 is not visible. It might be visible. Okay, we need 200 as in a directional trade. All right. So the lot size is 20. So let's adjust the lot size in the Sensex is 20. Done. So let's start playing. If the price is below alligator mouth, and if the price has broken the fractal outside the alligator mouth, it is an indication of short sell. That's all. Okay, but we need 200. 200 is not visible because of the data. Data कम हो गया 200 से. If you want, you can short sell. Yes, you can short sell when the price tags to green. अगर tag होती है. No, it didn't tag. So it continued to go up. So we will not buy until we have a one condition. Now let me explain you this condition. The condition is this is 200 right now. This is 200 is away from price. So usually rubber band act will work. Okay. We will not buy until the price closes and gives us a green above the green, gives us a upper fractal where upper fractal is broken. Once this fractal is formed, then we need a higher low, a lower fractal which is higher low. Then we need this. Okay. Now you understand this system? Let's play it. Price closed above green. We need a higher low. Now wait a minute. This is called fractal. Fractal, it is very easy. You can understand. I think someone asked me what is fractal. Fractal is a behavior, nature of the market behavior. And I think it is also behavior of the human beings. If price crosses above this, we are going for a buy, but we need a lower fractal, one more lower fractal we need here. If one more lower fractal is given and the price turns here, we are buying. Okay, let's see. There is no lower fractal. Yes, now the lower fractal has been made. Now the lower fractal has been made. If price now first fractal, actually Bill Williams said that if this indicator is wide open, that means there is still a momentum is there. But only price closes above red, you can go for the entry. That means we need a price close above red, because we are still seeing the momentum is big. Okay, take this point, and this becomes a setup number 1. Now this setup number 1 from here, it shifted to here, because there is a one more fractal has been created here, and after this, actually this low fractal was violated. Okay, so now the low fractal has made, so we need a one more fractal up. Okay, or at least we need a close above this. Okay, now this bar has violated all the fractals. So the and when it is fractal violated, you can see these are now ready to open. Okay, these indicator lines are actually positioned forward momentum in the sense. व्हाट यू से एक सेटिंग है ना, वो आप 3 बार आगे का भी आप लिख सकते हो, 5 बार आगे का भी लिख सकते हो. सो दैट इंडिकेट्स दैट दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस. कैन यू सेल इट? You can sell it because it has made a consolidation phase here. You can sell it at this moment. You can sell it, yes, and you can wait for it. And where is your stop when you sold this? Close above the red line and close above the fractal. That is your stop. Okay, remember this now. And there is a divergence, very clearly visible that the divergence market is slowing down. It indicates the market is slowing down. But this has broken the fractal, meaning the structure fractal here. So we have sold it, and this is our stop, or close above the red is our stop. Okay, close only. That is very clear from the Bill Williams. So far so good. Okay, let me explain you this. This price came, did not close above 200. Okay, or there is a, you can go for the, it did not break any green line fractal. A fractal that is closed above the green line, and we need a close above here as a stop. It did not close. Okay, now what happened? It gapped down. 63,866 rupees is your profit for one lot. This is, I am talking about futures. Okay, so where it gapped down? It gapped down here. It made a green bar. You can buy back because you are going to lose it. If there is out of the, see, it is away from this is 200, it is away from 200, so it will head towards 200. You can buy back or you can wait for the pullback. You can now, at this point, you can buy back, because if it crosses this fractal, it will go up. Okay, so we are buying back. So we made 54,155. This is called a trailing stop, or you can have voluntary exit stop. Now we will see what happens. Now the market is very slow. Now remember again, we need a fractal inside this above green bar. A strong green bar has to close above the green line and give a fractal to go back to 200 if it is going back. This is called setup number 2. It is slow, dizzy, it is still slow, no close above green, failure to close above green, but downside momentum is not there. So this is a phase of the consolidation. Now you can see very clearly, I paused it, there is a divergence between these two, but it's a higher low. Let's see. Again, we have a same condition. We do not violate any condition. We don't violate any condition. Now, is this, yes, it has made there is a fractal, there is a higher low, and we need above this green a strong green. Okay. Now what we need is, yes, this is a very decisive close. What we need is a higher low now. From here, we need a higher low in order to go for the buy setup. Okay, that is called setup number 2. Okay, so this is called a saddle point of the alligator, where the alligator is this thing, and this is closed above the fractal. Okay, we can go for the directly buy here. We can go on that bar. Target is, remember, target is 200 period, nothing more than that, because this is a counter move. That's the reason we call it as a setup number 2. Okay, now we are selling it. That's all. We don't want market can go up. Yes, it can go up. We want the market to pull back. Setup number 3 is that we want market to pull back green and make a fractal, and then a strong green candle like this, not like this, like this we need as a momentum candle. That is called as a momentum candle. So let's see what happens. There is a fractal. Now the lower fractal has formed, broken. Okay, this is a strong momentum candle, and this is the first fractal outside the alligator. This one is the first fractal outside the alligator, and this is a buy setup. Let me explain this very clearly. This is the setup number 2. 1 second, sorry, we were supposed to buy over here. Okay, fine. We bought it. We want the market to go 75,000. Now this is almost near at 74,800. Now one of my statement was, is price in a target zone. The price is almost in a target zone because we have momentum, consolidation, and we are entering in a last push of the momentum. So somewhere here I want to book the profit. It is already showing me 16,935. So what I will do is, in the next bar I will book now. Khatam. If a price is in the target area, I will book. And in front of you, you can see 92,920. Now what I need? I need an entire this move. Need a correction over here before going up. Sorry, before going up. Okay. So let's see. Now you can also practically see the bars are do not have a momentum in it. No, it has broken at the downward end. The lower fractal has broken, but we need, if you want to short sell, we have a separate method for that, and this is 200, my friends. Above 200 we will not sell. We are going to feed the market. What I teach you is only these things: strokes, how many strokes you need to count, how you need to, now the price has tagged 200, how do you need to take the entries, what is the indication of this indicator, how they behave and why they behave in that way. If an indicator is behaving in that way, why it is behaving in that way. Now again I want to show you that this is the phase, excuse me, this is the phase of the consolidation, and the market is compressing now. It is coming near to the zero line. So this is how you need to judge. You have a time to judge, to see the market. Now alligator line, all three line are very slim now. Okay, so close above strong momentum candle we are buying. Close below strong bearish candle we are not selling it, because we are near to the 200. We are not away from the 200. So we will not sell it. You can say the market is in the very deep consolidation in 5 minutes also. I want to highlight one more time. This is called a saddle point, and this is called a saddle point. Now the market is just hovering around the zero line. Market is at saddle point. Market is at saddle point. ठीक है. Done. You have price closing outside the alligator mount, breaking the fractal. Okay, we have a buy setup here. This is buy. Now when you see trend is going on, you can also see this rise in the momentum bars. Okay, now this is phase 1. Now the phase 2 has to come. Again it is slowing down actually. Market is slowing down. But it is trending, and it has given somewhere around about 8,000 rupees profit right now. So it's hovering around 8,000, 7,000. Okay, done. So where do you stop, Krishna? See, usually this is a higher low is in a stop, but it has not made a new high. It just made 1, 2, 3, and it is 3 is also not even there, so it is consolidating, and we need one more momentum actually. So we will hold this. So we need a momentum now. Upside actually, yes. This is the momentum phase where it is started to turn now. You can add above this. If you want, you can add one more lot. Just I'm buying in case you want to know about it. Now you see it is away. Now how much is the money you are seeing here? This is for two lots. So each lot it is 30,000. What you will do is you will sell it now. Reason is sufficient. It has given a sufficient business. You can sell it now. Sell one, sell two. So what is your profit? Trading the rules. 1,56,000 rupees in 4 to 5 trading session. Now, ideally it is not always say you can say that the market is trending or you will make this much. No, when market is trending you will make money. When market is not trending you will not make money. In order to understand when the market is trending, you need to have at least 1 hour trend in your hand. So then only 1 hour trend, acha, it has just has it closed below red line? No, it has not closed below red line. So any break of this line, we are going up again. You got this point? We need a wiggle room for the momentum to occur, and we need a wiggle room for to make money. So this is the fact. This is what I wanted to show it to the people, and forget it. So this is how we do it. Okay, and I will repost the weekly outlook later, and I'll take another 1 or 2 hours. I'll just post it. Okay. So there is no scam. There is no nothing. This is based on purely based on mechanical order placement. All right. Good luck.